Congratulations and best wishes. Congrats, best wishes, Shane, Enric. God bless.
Hi, Ninang!
Hi, Miss Shane and Rick.
Congratulations and best wishes! Take care!
God bless.
Hi Michelle, happy wedding. Masaya kami para sa iyo. Ha? Sa iyong kasal. Ingat kayo palagi. Sana kung malapit ka lamang, nakapangasalan kami. Pero huwag kang mag-alala. Naandyan din ang aming puso't isipan sa iyo. Basta lagi kayo mag-iingat dyan. Ha? Happy wedding again.
Hello, may Shane. Hello, may Shane and
Congrats, ate!
Congrats.
Best wishes!
Masaya kami para sa iyo. Sana
Happy for you.
magka-baby kayo soon.
Sana magka-baby kayo soon.
I love you, ate!
I love you, ate.
Miss you. Love you, Miss Shane.
Miss you. I love you, Shane.
Hi, Shane and Rick. Buenas tardes a todos. Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat in Filipino. We would like to congratulate and express our heartfelt greetings to the newlywed. We wish you all the best in life as husband and wife. Saludos de Paul Cautivo y familia desde la ciudad Pasig, Filipinas. Dios los bendiga a los todos. Gracias. Congratulations and best wishes, Rick. Ay, congratulations, Rick.
Hello, Tita Shane and the husband. Happy wedding day. Congratulations. I love you. Ingat po. Bye-bye.
Congratulations, Shane. Wishing you a lifetime of everlasting love and happiness. Best wishes. Bye-bye.
2, 3. Hello, newlyweds!
Kuya Rick, welcome to the family. Congratulations on your new journey together. Wishing you a lifetime of love, joy, and adventure. Please take care of our dear Ate Michelle.
And also, we're just a chat away if you need us. Shane. Naiyak ako!
Ano yun na?
We are very happy that you have found someone that you can spend the rest of your life with. Just always remember to put God in the center of your relationship and everything will follow. We love you so much and hope to see you guys soon.
Ikaw pa, may sabihin ka?
Pa, sabihin mo kay ate, congrats!
Congrats! Sabihin mo. Sige, kaway ka na lang. Kaway.
Kaway ka. Ganun.
Bye!
Bye! Bye-bye ka! Congratulations and we wish you all the best! Love you both!